Okay, so gawin na natin ang reading mo, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ang reading mo, my dear, is para sa May 14, 2026. Okay? Kung meron man kayo narinig na ingay in the background, please kindly ignore it. Ha? Pakideadma na lang po. Okay? So, hello, my dear. Welcome or welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. Tingnan natin. Anong eksena, anong mga kaganapan na kinakailangan naming malaman para sa area or sa element ng fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Anong mga eksena or anong eksena? We have here the Page of Pentacles, okay? We have here the Four of Cups. We have here the Four of Cups. Tingnan natin. We have here the Three of Swords. Yun lang. Next is, kuha tayo ng Oracle card. Fire sign. May 14, 2026. Anong meron sa'yo, fire sign? Anong nangyayari? Fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. The daily ride. Parang the daily reading. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ay! Baliktad ang pagkakahawak ko. Okay. Mayroong payback. Okay, may payback, may payback. Ayan o. Payback, tapos daily ride. Okay. Tapos ano to? My pride and ego got hurt. Okay. Okay, fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Eto na. Sa energy ng Page of Pentacles, my dear, parang meron kang ginawang something. Okay, meron kang ginawang something probably in the past. Kasi meron na tayong Four of Cups. So, sinasabi dito, my dear, na stuck ka as of this moment sa isang decision making na ginawa mo in the past. Yung ginawa mo na decision making na yon, nag-cause yon ng Three of Swords sa'yo. Okay? So, ano nangyayari? Stuck ka as of this moment. Bakit ka na-stuck? Kasi probably meron nangyari in the past na hindi ka makarecover at hindi ka makamove on, or there's a tendency na nag-cause ng Three of Swords sa'yo. Okay? Nag-cause ng Three of Swords. Sabi dito, my dear, my pride and ego got hurt. So, I want revenge. I want you to hurt too. Kanina, nung nilabas ko yung card, nung nakita ko yung Three of Swords at saka yung payback, naramdaman ko na kaagad, my dear, na parang meron kang gustong mangyari. Gusto mong mag-suffer yung isang tao as of this moment, sa oras na to, my dear, okay? We have here the daily ride, momentum, independency, self profile, freedom, and clarity. Okay? Pakiramdam ko may ito ang kailangan mo as of this moment. You need freedom. You need clarity. And hindi mo to makukuha, fire sign Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, kung ikaw ay nakapokus sa galit. Kung ano man yung nangyari, my dear, in the past, you need to believe, my dear, payback. Meron tayo ditong consequence, returning, karma cycle, what goes around, time to settle account. Okay? Hindi ka magkakaroon ng freedom and clarity, fire sign, kung gagawin mo yung ginawa ng isang tao sa'yo. Ganon kabigat yung reading natin ngayon. So, ano nangyayari ngayong May 14, 2026? Ang nangyayari ngayon, my dear, is nananariwa yung mga ginawa sa'yo ng mga tao or ng isang tao. Ang problema, masyado kang nakafocus sa energy ng revenge. Okay, na gusto mo may actually, ang nangyayari dito is, my pride and ego got hurt. Yung pride mo at saka yung ego mo, my dear, natapakan. And it's okay. Okay lang naman kung natapakan yung pride mo at saka yung ego mo, my dear. 'Di ba? Nasaktan ka and gusto mo rin iparamdam sa tao na yon. Kung talagang may ginawang masama sa iyo yung tao na yan, my dear, you don't need to lift a finger. Hindi mo kinakailangan, my dear, na gumawa ng kahit ano. You don't need to do anything at all, okay? Karma na, my dear, ang gagawa nun para sa'yo. Diba? What goes around comes around, okay? So, we have here the daily ride. Okay? We will try to finish this right away. Daily ride is more on freedom and then clarity. So, sa araw na to, my dear, kinakailangan mong ma-overcome to. Kinakailangan mong ipagpasa Diyos na lang, my dear, kung ano man yung ginawa sa'yo ng tao na ito or ng mga tao na ito. Hindi mo kinakailangan, my dear, ubusin yung energy mo isang buong araw, kaiisip ng kaiisip kung paano magsasuffer yung isang tao. Always remember, my dear, kung ano ang binato mo sa labas, yun din ang babalik sa'yo. What goes around, comes around. Karma, karma. And hindi mo kinakailangan, my dear, na ilagay sa kamay mo, my dear, ang batas. 'Di ba? Yeah. So, my dear fire sign, yun ang nasagap ko na energy para sa yung May 14, 2026. I hope, my dear, na nagustuhan mo yung ating reading. And until next time, bye-bye!